very good day to Dr. Soila and my friends. We are representing Group 10 to present about railway block system. Before I start our presentation, I would like to introduce myself and my group members. My name is Dashan Raj as a group leader and a second presenter, Nurul Amira as a first presenter, Jagnesh Rao as a third presenter. Now, first presenter Nur Amira will start the presentation.
Thank you, Darshan Raj. Assalamualaikum and good morning to our beloved lecturer, Dr. Suhaila and my fellow friends. I hope everyone is doing well. Please stay home and stay safe. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nurul Amira binti Amirullah with matrix number 250620. I am the first presenter of this presentation, so I'm going to talk about the introduction, which consists of two things: railway block system and signaling block system of railway. Okay, so what is a block system? Block systems are used to control trains between station and yards, but usually within station, because other method will be used for the yards. Any block system is defined by two things, which are related physical equipment and the application of a relevant set of rules. The set of rules and the physical equipment used to accomplish this, known as the method of working in the UK and the method of operation in the US, while in Australia it is referred to safe working. Next slide, signaling block system of railway. It is a system for controlling and safeguarding the flow of railway trains. Only one train may occupy a block at a time. So the basic principle is that a track is broken up into sections known as blocks. When a train enters a block, signals at both ends change to indicate that the block is occupied. When a train first enters the block, the rear of the same train has not yet left the previous block, so both blocks are marked as occupied. This ensures there is slightly less than one block length on either end of the train that is marked as occupied, so any other trains approaching this section will have enough room to stop in time, even if the first train stops dead on the tracks. The previously occupied block will only be marked unoccupied when the end of the train has entirely left it, leaving the entire block clear. Signaling block system enable the safe and efficient operation of railways by preventing collision between trains. What I have learned from our topic is, well, honestly speaking, I've never heard of block system before, but now I know the basic of it since I'm covering this part. Basically, railway signaling is a system that helps in controlling railway traffic and keeping all trains clear from each other. Preventing trains that travel on the same route from getting into an accident is the purpose of this system. It also allows the train to move safely from one station to another. I guess my general knowledge increases as I have another information regarding railway. That's all for me, and the next slide will be presented by the second presenter. Thank you.
Thank you, Nur Amira. My name is Dashan Raj, matrix number 256723 as a second presenter. Today, I would like to explain our method to determine the block status, or it's called train detection. There are two types of train detection. First, track second is axle counter. Track second is an electrical device that is used to detect the presence and absence of a train on the railway track, and also used to inform the signalers to control the rail transportation signals. Track second lies in the connection of the two rails by the wheels and axle of locomotive and rolling stock to short out at electric circuit, where track second is a function based on electrically which is located at end of each section of the railway track. Track second is a display signal for the train to slow down or stop in the presence of other train in occupied track. Now I want to explain about the function of the track circuit on unoccupied and occupied track. For on the unoccupied track circuit, when the section is unoccupied, the relay call to complete the electric circuit which energizes the relay, and they report the block is unoccupied. The signal display clear by indicate the green light. For the occupied track circuit, when the train enter the block, the metal wheels and axle contact the circuit which bypass the relay, and they de-energize the relay to report the block is occupied, and the signal display stop by indicating red lights. Now I want to explain about the second method of the train detection, axle counter. Axle counter is a device to detect the passing of train between 2 points on track. It's a detection point comprises of two independent of axle counter sensor which detect the individual axles of train both into and out of the section. This device can detect the direction and speed of the train by the order and the time which the sensors are passed. Now I want to explain about the fixed block signaling of the railway. Fixed block is a divide the track into the small block which determine how far they kept the train kept for the safety, how frequently the station will be serviced. Most blocks are fixed include the section of track between the two fixed points. On signaling based system, blocks start and end at the signal. For each block that only occupy the single train at a given time, and train is not permitted enter the block until the signal indicate the train can be proceeded to travel on the railway track. What I learned from this topic and my part explanation is I learned about the train detection method and also the type of a block signal system and its uses. As long I know the train stopped in the station because of the communication system and also the signaling system. Besides that, there is a lot of method and procedure need to follow to control the movement of train and also to detect the presence and absence of train on the railway track. So something new knowledge I gained from this topic, and it showed that railway block signal system is important to ensure safe and efficient railway operation management to avoid train accident on the railway track. That's all for me. Next presentation slide will continue by the third presenter Jagnesh Rao. Thank you.
Thank you, Darshan Raj. A very good day to Dr. Swaila and to my friends. My name is Jagnesh Rao and my metric number is 255390. I am the last presenter of this video presentation, and I would like to explain about the moving block system and automatic block system. First of all, we will go to the moving block system. Okay, the moving block system can be defined as an automated system which allows the train to receive a movement authority from control center. The control center has to have a continuous dialogue with all the trains to know their speed and their position continuously. To enable the moving block, a system is required to pinpoint the location of the train with a great level of precision and control the train's permission to move forward. CBTC, Communication Based Train Control, is a system that enables the control of the train via communication between trains and through the wayside equipment such as a radio transmission. In moving block signaling, trains are already given the permission to move to a specific position anywhere in the track. Although moving block signaling can increase the capacity of the railway road, this means that the increase in capacity provided by moving block signaling can be differ between roads. Moving block allows the train to run closer together while maintaining required safety margin, thereby it will increase the line's overall capacity. Next, we will go to the automatic blocking system. An automatic blocking system is used in railways to assist signaling. Tracking circuit in the system is to identify the movement of the train. An automatic blocking system uses this tracking circuit to automatically detect the movement of the train in block and also to control the signaling for each blocks. A long train track will be converted into small track, and each small track has a small cabs. This is called as a block. A long train track will be converted into small track. For each small track, they will provide a semaphore at the entry. Each semaphore consists of red, green, orange, double orange color light condition. If the train is running in one block, the other two blocks ahead existing should be clear. Then the moving train will be given a green signal to move forward. What I learned from this topic is that the blocking system plays an important role to assist railways. Blocking system can ensure the safety and prevent the accident or the damage of the train on the track. Blocking system is utilized by the control center to control the signaling of the train. For the conclusion, block system utilize the track in the most efficient manner while ensuring safety. Block system is a greater step for the evaluation of the signaling. It has a potential to increase the railway roads capacity and the flexibility. Block system in the signaling technology that can evolve the railway industry. That's all from me and my group about the railway blocking system, and thank you.